Are you thinking about selling shirts through Merch by Amazon? Would you like to know the quality of Merch by Amazon shirts? Well, get my honest thoughts in this Merch by Amazon premium shirt review. Stay tuned. Welcome to Self-Publishing with Dale, and if you're new here and you want to learn more about publishing your books and building your brand, make sure that you subscribe and turn your notifications on to get all of the latest content. If you've been following me long enough and you've watched any number of my videos or seen me in any number of interviews, you'll notice a similar pattern, a similar branding about me, and that is my t-shirts and jeans approach. Now, this is simple to make t-shirt designs that you can do through something that's called Merch by Amazon. We've talked about this to a certain extent in some of our live shows, but I thought we'd go ahead and take a closer and deeper look at the quality of the shirts that Merch by Amazon provides. So I went ahead, I put together two new types of shirts and I ordered it. Within 3 days, it was shipped to my house on my doorstep and ready to go, and we're gonna go ahead and unbox it. So why don't we take a look inside? All right, one thing you'll notice anytime that you order any shirts, be it premium or standard Merch by Amazon shirts, you're gonna notice this unusual smell. It's almost like vinegar. You open it up and it smells like pickles. So this is gonna be one of the things I'm gonna recommend to you is when you do get the shirts in, don't put them on immediately unless you wanna smell like a pickle factory. With the premium shirts, they're a little bit more expensive and it's got a nicer fabric to it, and it's also a more snugger fit. As you can see with the shirt that I'm wearing right now, it fits a little bit tighter up here, and it's a little looser down here, and it goes down a little longer. With the standard shirts, there's a little bit more room to breathe, and it has a more accurate sizing. So this is a large shirt, but it probably fits me more like a medium shirt does. So for this particular shirt right here, this is actually the large design, and it looks a little larger than what it normally would. It's going to shrink a bit in the wash. And then we got this other one here. You can see once again, it's pretty big, but as soon as I get inside this, I'm about roughly 6'2" and about 190 pounds, so I fill out this shirt pretty well. These two shirts are not too bad. It's going to end up looking like this when it's all said and done. It's going to shrink ever so slightly when you put it in the wash. My biggest complaint about the standard shirts is anytime I've washed those, they've shrunk a lot. And then what ends up happening is I'm tall, so the shirts go up just a little bit more, and it looks like a, like a midriff shirt on me. And I'm not ready to show off my belly on videos. Let's discuss 3 elements for us to consider when looking at each one of these shirts and selling them. 1, quality. I'm really happy with the quality of the premium shirts, but there are a lot of customer reviews that are not so happy. These shirts tend to fit most people a little bit more snug. So if you happen to order a premium shirt that's provided through Merch by Amazon, I recommend that you go a size up or 2. And worst case scenario, if you're not happy with it, you can always return it and get a full refund or exchange it for the size that's gonna fit you best. 2, cost. Let's keep in mind that each one of these shirts don't come free. So there is a base cost that you have to fulfill on the premium shirts. Right now, you typically have to price your shirt right about $14 or more in order to see any type of profit. When I'm producing a new design and launching it through the Merch by Amazon market, I try to price it low. Here's the deal. Right now, if your design doesn't sell within 120 days, Amazon purges it from your account and pulls it off of the marketplace. So there needs to be proof of concept that your design is actually worthy of being on the Amazon platform and will be bought. So what I'll do is I'll mark them down low so that way it sells once, and then I'll push them right on up there to where I can actually make some type of a profit. 3, order fulfillment and delivery time. This is hit or miss. It just really depends on the time of week that you're ordering it, and of course the time of year that you're going to be ordering a Merch by Amazon shirt. These two shirts took about 3 days from the time that I put it into my shopping cart on Amazon to the time it arrived on my doorstep. So I was really happy. In other instances, it took a little over a week and a half on a couple of my orders. I'm not too disappointed considering that this is print-on-demand merchandise. It's not like someone's waiting patiently by for your order. They need to make sure that they're doing all these orders as they come in. So are you producing Merch by Amazon shirts for your business? Is this something that you see working with your author brand currently? I definitely would love to hear from you, so just drop your thoughts in the comments. In the meantime and in between time, if you enjoyed this video, make sure that you share it with somebody else who would enjoy it too. Till later, this has been Self-Publishing with Dale, and I'll see you soon.